how to use VBET's Virtual Sports section. If you want to use VBET's Virtual Sports section, once you navigate to the respective website, this is the interface you will see. Over here, you will find the menu icon. When you tap the menu icon, you'll find many options here, out of which you simply have to go to the one that says Virtual Sports. Now, once you come to the Virtual Sports section, this offers a fast-paced, always available betting experience. Now, virtual sports are basically computer-generated simulations of sporting events. So you'll be betting a duplicate money just to get the experience, and you won't be betting. And this is usually done for practicing, because this event will run constantly 24/7 without relying on real-world schedules. So here you can see different sort of virtual games. Just select the games that you think you would like to place a bet on, and after you've done that, you'll be able to see common types like virtual football, horse racing, greyhound racing, tennis, basketball, or motor racing. Once done, you can simply review the available betting markets such as winner or place per racing, over or under goals, and select your desired bet and enter your stake. This is the way on how you could go ahead and possibly place a virtual sports bet. I hope that this video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comments below. As always, thanks for watching and see you in the next video.